Hi, I'm John Carney, and this is Vince Bertuca, and we are the owners of PuroClean of Oak Park, serving all the Chicagoland area.
You are probably here because you need restoration services due to the property damage, or perhaps you need one of our other services.
You've come to the right place. Our team members are specially trained in water damage and restoration, mold remediation, fire and smoke damage, along with other specialties. All of our team are thoroughly screened, fully insured, and industry certified. We will work with your insurance company as well. We're here to help you as quickly and efficiently as possible.
We are master certified, and we have a proven track record and deliver outstanding customer service. As part of our professional standard, we treat you like family with compassion and care.
Call us at 708-66-56800 for help anytime, day or night, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to restore and rescue your property.